Okay, we're going to begin by creating a segment, which we're going to call AB. So I'm going to go over here to my segment tool. Just click anywhere and create a segment AB. I kind of like the endpoints to be a little bit larger. If you go to the Edit menu, pick Object Properties, see these points. I'm going to pick both those points and make them larger. So if we go to Style, the points like so, that will work. And then we want to show those labels. So there's AB. Now in the sketch, actually we have a square right here. So I'm going to create a point here on segment AB. This is going to be the point that gets dragged. It's called drag me in our final sketch. So I'm going to pick that point. That's called drag me. So let's make that a little larger. I left click on it, go to Object Properties. Let's make it a little larger like the others. And then I think we made that one green. And I'm going to call this, instead of point C, call it actually I'll call it C, but I'm going to show the label as a caption. Right, drag me. Okay, so that point gets dragged along there. Now, from point A to drag me, that should be the side of a square. So I go up here to the, this looks like a polygon. I want a regular polygon. So you actually go from A to drag me. Makes a nice square. Now as I drag me, that square changes size. And these are labeled in the same way that the sketch is that we shared with you. Now one difference is these are blue in the sketch. We'll worry about that in a minute. Now I also need the segment from E to B, and then the intersection of D to drag me and EB is called F. So let's construct that as well. Okay, so we'll call that F. Go to Object Properties. It's already called F, so we just want to see the label. Style we want larger. All these points we want, with the exception of C, we would like to be this green color, this blue color rather. We'll make C green so it has a more uniform look to it. These points are arguably a little bit too large too, so if we go back to Object Properties, let's pick all the points and make them slightly smaller. That looks about right. Okay, so that's basically our sketch. The only trick now is we would like to be able to trace. Here, I'll show you the sketch, the final version of it. We really need to have that area, and we need to have the length of that side. We're going to ultimately plot those.